Hello, everybody. So this demo is going to show you how to use materials other than newspaper to create a form. So I ran around the house and grabbed a bunch of random things. So I have some plastic bags, little hand towels, and then some paper towels. Then I have my tape over here ready. This is the only tape I had. Scotch tape's probably not the best. Masking tape's really good, but it will work. So I'm going to take my plastic bag and stuff it with some of this. So I'll take this other plastic bag, put it in there. Towels in. Not quite big enough. I'm going to bunch these up so that they're kind of taking up more room in here. A couple more towels I'll put in. I'm pushing out the air. Water. Starting to look like the shape I'd like now. Nice thing about having it in this plastic bag is you can kind of squish it around and make it the shape you want. I'm going to tie this off at the bottom. Okay, now I'll take the tape, and the tape's going to help me shape this. I know that the chin's going to be down here. I'm going to pull those side parts back. So now I can see that the chin's sticking out a little bit more. For the forehead up here, I'll pull this back so it kind of becomes more rounded. On this side, I kind of want to pull that in a little bit more. So, back. Now, I have a nice form. It goes up in the middle, and then I can build off of here. This was using plastic bags, tape, paper towels, and little hand towels to create this.